The first question is, make while the sun shines. The correct answer is C, hay. Question 2. When life gives you lemons, make. The correct answer is B, lemonade. Question 3. An Asian nation shares its name with which part of Thanksgiving dinner? The correct answer is D, turkey. Question 4. How many $3 cards can you afford to buy with $20? The correct answer is C, 6. Question 5. 90 degrees is known as a what? The correct answer is A, right angle. Question 6. Which aging British rockers had the highest grossing concert tour of 2006? The correct answer is B, the Rolling Stones. Question 7. What was the first name of Criminal Hurst, released from prison in 1979? The correct answer is D, Patty. Question 8. Who is the only Republican that FDR ever admitted to having voted for? The correct answer is C, Theodore Roosevelt. Question 9. By what name is TV chef Graham Kerr better known? The correct answer is B, the Galloping Gourmet. And the last question is, you can find the Gateway Arch at which location? The correct answer is B, St. Louis. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.